friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll on the down. Okay, you just keep scrolling and here you are going to find the system option. So just click on system. When you click on system, again you have to scroll a little bit, then you are going to find here is the reset phone. Okay, so just click on reset phone. When you click on it, you are going to find the screen and here you have to click on this reset Wi-Fi setting, the first option. Just click on it. When you click on it, click on reset setting, click on reset, then your Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved from your mobile phone. You just need to click on reset setting. Okay, in 3 seconds it will be solved. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.